So the
Yeah.
first thing I want to ask is what nephrotic syndrome actually is.
Yeah, so what nephrotic syndrome is a rare disease of the kidney, and more specifically, injury to the glomerular filtration barrier of the kidney. So let's talk about that for a minute. So one of the kidney's major jobs is to filter blood. So blood's going around your body. It has good things in the blood, like proteins and electrolytes, and it has things that are waste products. And what the kidneys do is they filter your blood many times a day, and they let the bad stuff out and keep the good stuff in. They do that through glomeruli. Those are that's the technical term for it. And I have a model here. So this is the cross section of a kidney right here. Then these little guys, these are the filters, so the glomeruli, and this is a glomerulus blown up, and then this is a glomerulus blown up even more. So what the glomerulus does is these filters, blood comes in through these tubes, and they go through this filtering process, and the waste ends up in the urine down here, and the good things like blood cells and protein go back to the body. So what nephrotic syndrome is an injury to that glomerulus, where the glomerulus all of a sudden leaks a ton of protein, and that creates proteinuria, or protein in the urine. And that leads to an increased risk of infections and an increased risk of blood clots, but it also has a risk of leading to chronic kidney disease and ultimately end-stage kidney disease. So to put it in a nutshell, what's nephrotic syndrome? Nephrotic syndrome is an injury to the kidney's filters that selectively results in a massive loss of protein, and it ends up in the urine rather than being in the body where it belongs.